subscribe, okay, subscribe. One of them ones when it's just not going your way, like one of those days where it's just like I felt like giving up, but girl, I had to get on with it. Girl, I'll call you back, because if you didn't get any gifts, block, because block him. Thank you. Management, thank you. Why is the sun acting up now that I'm vlogging? I don't get it. Hi guys, good morning, happy Monday. Hope you're all well. Just ignore how I look. Today's skincare day because my skin been moving mad, so just ignore like my little face. I need to wash this off, to be honest. It's been on my face for like 10 minutes, but remove. I hope you guys are all well. Today's gonna be like a day in the life vlog. I love doing hauls and stuff, but I feel like I need vlogs to kind of break them up because it's just too much hauls. Do you know what I mean? Today's gonna be like a self-care day, running errands, getting my life together kind of day. Girl, I'll call you back because I want to call her back. But yeah, Isabel, if you're watching this, I want to call you back, honey. It's just I keep doing this intro 10 times. But yeah, so I'm literally gonna do my bedding, change my sheets, do some laundry, tidy up, go to the post office, hopefully film some content for YouTube and Instagram. That is, by the way guys, I got this. If your iron is low, get this, because my iron is really low, so I always use this for my iron levels. But it makes you constipated though, low key. Actually high key constipated. So if I was you, I would definitely get this, but also take some sort of like, I don't know, for it's just good if your iron is low. My friend told me to get it and I like it so far, but it makes you constipated, just to let you know. So my best friend got me this plant for Valentine's Day. Guys, I have really cute friends. Like, how gorgeous. Hopefully I keep it alive though, because I'm not really good with plants, but it's so pretty. Look at the color, pink and purple, I love. And I also got some flowers, red roses. How gorgeous. They're still not in the vase yet. Yeah, they're gonna die on me, aren't they? But they're really gorgeous. I love red roses. They're just very bougie, really pretty, and I love these. How was your Valentine's Day, guys? Comment below, like, how was your Valentine's Day or Valentine's Day? What did you guys get up to? Comment below. I'm literally like so nosy, so comment below how your Valentine's Day was, if you had a good time with your boo, your friends, or whatever. But pandemic, what friends? Pandemic. But yeah guys, I'm literally gonna start my day now. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Let's just get straight into it. How cute is the bedding? I've gone for a white and cream theme this time. I love this bedding. It's from Dunelm. It's really soft. I love their bedding, and I got this little throw from Primark. My cushions are from Shein, which I really love, but I've just gone for like a nice cute beige and white theme, which is super cute. So my room is always like cluttered because of packages. This is the corner that I usually like have my packages on. So like this stuff is for Depop. I'll link my Depop on the screen. I usually sell my clothes on there, like my clothes that I use in my hauls, or just clothes that I've like worn once in like photo shoots and stuff like that. And then here is my Shein stuff and like Fashion Over as well down here. So this corner is always like cluttered, and I've got some bits here for my Boohoo haul that I need to film very soon. Got my clothes here. My ring light is from Amazon. I always get questions about it. My route is from IKEA, by the way guys. I just painted it like gold with a gold spray. But this is the corner. Like, it's always a mess. Doing a room tour is impossible in this room because I've got stuff everywhere. I can't even show you guys the whole room because it's a whole mess. But yeah, this is the corner that I usually just keep my boxes, my work corner, I guess. But I love this corner though, so it's never clean. When I move out, I will do a room tour, but this is it so far. This is where I've put them, literally in the hallway. They look so pretty in the hallway. Hopefully they last, guys. I'll keep you updated if they even last a week, because low-key they're already dying. So, but they're really pretty. Hi guys, I'm back. I just showered and washed my face. The sun is actually like in my face. I don't know why. I got some skincare bits from Ren Skincare. Got some PR from them and I'm gonna try out what they've got. Guys, I don't do skincare. I think you guys know this by now. I don't do this whole skincare. I just put a mask and maybe just moisturize here and there. But the mask is like once in a while. Just for show, to be honest. I just got this overnight glow sleeping cream. I'm not gonna use that today. I'm gonna use the eye cream and the toner though today because I just washed my face. I don't know how the steps work in skincare. If you know, let me know. I just do whatever works for me, guys. I don't really do anything for my skin because I know my skin doesn't like all this products, so I just wash my face with soap and call it a day. But I heard that this toner is really good for skin, so I'm gonna use that today. How do I use the thing? I don't get it. Oh my gosh, so you pump it. No, but I'm actually ghetto. There's no instructions for this, to be fair, so I'm just gonna kind of like wipe. I mean, there's a little bit of dirt. No, this is cool. You just pump it. Use this face theory to moisturize my skin. I'm not gonna do my under eye. I've got the cream for my eye. I'm actually, guys, this is the ghetto. This is why I tell you I don't do skincare, because and then I'm gonna use this eye cream for under my eye, just because I don't know what it's for, what it does. Is it brighten me up? I get enough sleep, to be honest, so I can't even complain. I'm always sleeping when I'm at working. That feels really, really nice. Oh, girl, my skin. Was it glowing before or not? Because I would actually recommend, I'm going to try it out for like a month and let you guys know. But my skin is glowing. I'll link the products all down below, guys. This is not sponsored. I was just given to try out. So, you know, but... Ooh. Hi guys, just finished filming my Boohoo haul and also filmed a couple reels for Instagram. Not gonna lie, today was a very long content day. Some was it's just not going your way. Like one of those days where it's just like I felt like giving up, but girl, I had to get on with it. I'm so tired, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like people say content creating is not a job, whatever. It's hard. It's a very hard job, I can't lie. I've just done like 2 reels and a YouTube video. That took me like 5 hours. Filming a try on haul is not a joke. It takes me time to actually film the haul and then do a try on bit as well. Like, it's not a joke, guys. It's not a joke. So I'm tidy up my room. It's a mess. I'll show you guys that in a sec. And then we'll make some dinner. I'm gonna make, I think, stuffed salmon with spinach and also, what else? And mash, I think. My arm is hurting me, Jesus. My iron is quite low. Having spinach has helped loads. I take tablets, but I hate taking tablets in general. And the iron tablets make you constipated, girl. Don't want to talk about it, but yeah, I'm just gonna do that and then make some dinner and then just chill for the evening and edit some videos and vlogs and hauls. The whole shebang, guys. My arm is hurting me, so I'm gonna talk to you guys later. So this is all the clothes I filmed. It was a styling haul. You guys prefer styling hauls these days. So I literally, like, I think I've got 6, 7 outfits here. I'm not really sure, but they're on the floor. And I've got like my ring light here. Yeah. Guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. It's been a long day, I'm not gonna lie. Just had dinner. Dinner was so yummy. chef's kiss. I'll leave the recipe down below, and make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.